Pop the hood! Just got the car clean, so I'm driving it really careful because it's snow outside. And yeah, I'm gonna transfer this car to be as good of a condition it can be, but still driving the crap out of it. So I just wanted to be clean once to see how it will turn out, because it's fun, honest with me. So it's gonna be fun.
Snyggt.
I'm gonna show you a real car. Which sounded best? Put it in the comments below. Welcome to the part of the cleaning and polishing of the car video part. First you apply light pressure to the paint, and then after that you polish the paint to a perfect condition. The product I'm using is Maguire's Polish Pro. Look at my face in the paint. Look how clean the paint is getting. The car is so clean, it's reflecting my face of it.
Du borde börja huvudet.
So I cleaned the inside. The inside is it's clean and nice and good. It smells wonderful in here, I have to say. Spotless, looks magnificent. Everything is cleaned up and nice. This stereo actually should have a frame, but who cares? Now the exterior is also done. So I put some clear wax on it as well to protect it. I mean, it's really a shit box, but hey, why not be nice to the shit box? I mean, look at the paint, become much better actually after the polish. Even though it was the quickest polish I ever done in my entire life, and did not put that much time or effort in it, it actually turned out really good, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the result. As you look at the paint, it looks actually wonderful. You see how beautiful the paint actually was when the car was new, so that's quite cool. Quite a lot of rust on the car, sadly. Swedish car, a lot of salt on the road. As you can see, the entire way right here is rust. This is due to the people not cleaning the car correctly. This rust is not that bad because you can replace this entire frame, which is not that bad. The front also panel right here has quite a lot of rust as well. But look at the paint difference between this and that. I don't really know why. Really weird. I love that it's sort of blacked out, this part. This is an external heating, which is very popular here in Sweden, because it's cold as fuck. That's what I'm gonna do. I actually can see my reflection in the car. But thank you for watching. The car is complete, it's finished. It looks much better. We have done everything with this car from the time we bought it. It was broken down, and to the car inspection thing as well. This thing has central locking, look at that. Through cleaning it, fixing it, getting a new car inspection, or whatever it's called, a OK MOT. It smells good in here. We have drifted this car and it's finished. So hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out Autocarnerd Sverige, which is in the link below, which I'm going to make a little bit more Swedish videos as well. And have a nice day.